Here we will see different sections in Crystal report. First is report header. This section contains the report title and it is displayed only once for the report on the first page. Next is page header. This section will appear on the top of the page and displayed only once per page. This section contains the column name of the report on each page of the report. Detail section displays the actual values from the data source into the report. You can drag and add the fields to this section to display the actual values of the table of the database. Report footer section will appear on the bottom of the page. Whatever you add to this section is displayed at end of the report. And page footer section will appear at the end of each page of the report. Here we will see different sections in Crystal report. For this we will open an existing report. These are the different sections. First we will see report header. The title of the report you can give here. To add a title, from this extension menu, select Crystal report and then insert text box. It will add a blank text box where you can specify the title of the report. I will give employee master list. So when we see preview, on first page it will display the employee master list and on second page it will not be displayed. Since anything written in report header will be displayed only once for the report. I will move this date to report header. Next is page header. The title of the column is displayed in page header. Here we will see customer ID, name, birth date, address. You can set this title or you can add a new text box and I will give the caption for this column, customer ID. You can again add another text box or you can copy this and paste here and give customer name. You can adjust the width. Then I will give birth date and address. The title that you have specified is displayed in page header. When we move to next page, it will display in second page. It will display the same title for all the pages. Next is detail section. The table fields are displayed in detail sections. That is, the data from the table is displayed in detail section. Whatever you write in report footer will display at the last of the report. I will write here end of the report. And when we see preview and I will move to last page, it will display end of the report. And in page footer section I will write continue. So when we see preview, for every page it will display continue.